Hi, I'm Sandy Green, and this is my introduction video. I currently live in Colorado Springs, Colorado. I have lived here for 17 years. Um, I enjoy the mountains and the weather here, along with the hiking, live concerts, camping outdoors, and just all of what Colorado has to offer. My educational background, I earned a bachelor's degree in music education from the University of Nebraska at Kearney in December of 1988. In 1989, I began my first teaching job in a small town in Nebraska. I taught 4 years in Nebraska, then I moved in 1993 to Oakley, Kansas, where I taught band, 512 band in Kansas, Oakley, Kansas. Um, I taught in Kansas for 8 years. And then in the fall of 2001, I moved to Colorado. I have taught in Colorado now for 17 years. 12 years is in Colorado Springs School District 11. I have taught all band, some choir, and orchestra. In the fall of 2017 is when I began my Master's of Educational Leadership from Fort Hays State University. My personal goals is to focus on family and continue building relationships. Purchase a home in a more central part of Colorado Springs to make the commutes a little easier. Take a long summer vacation and get back into shape. My professional goals is to earn a master's in educational leadership, participate in the Colorado Springs School District 11 Principal Mentorship Program in the fall of 2019, and then apply for a principal job in the spring of 2020. For my professional goals within the next 1 to 6 years, actually, my goal is to be in an administrative position. After 6 years, we'll just kind of see, but I'm looking at retiring from public education after 6 more years. And then maybe do some part-time education work. I'm not sure yet. Why did I choose Fort Hays State University? I chose Fort Hays because I attended Fort Hays with continuing education courses when I lived there, and I've always thought that Fort Hays was a quality place for higher education. And then also the cost I thought was very reasonable. My initial expectations of this program is to have a baseline knowledge of administrative duties, and just to know how to be a principal as my first year. And then I know that there'll be a lot of learning experiences, because that's how we learn, is by experience, but just to get a baseline knowledge and quality education. So that is my introduction video, and I thank you for listening.